Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make chocolate brownies. Let's begin. So to start, grab yourself a medium sized heat proof bowl, place in the butter and the milk chocolate, then place over a saucepan of simmering water and allow the two to melt fully, allowing to cool a little bit before you use it. Then into another medium sized bowl, you'll want to sift in your dry ingredients, which is the flour, the salt and the cocoa powder, and just sift them in as cocoa powder is prolific for having lumps in it. Then just give it a brief whisk together just to incorporate it all so it's all got that chocolatey colour and set aside until needed later on. Then you can grab yourself a large mixing bowl and into it place your granulated sugar and your eggs and just whisk the two together until they are lighter and fluffier in colour and consistency. This does take around 7 to 9 minutes, maybe 10 at a push, but you'll want to have it on a high speed, and once they have incorporated you'll notice that the mixture becomes this pale, voluminous, yellowish coloured mixture, and that's what you're perfectly looking for. Then once you've achieved that, you can then start to add in your melted chocolate and butter mix. Just keep it on one steady stream, it shouldn't take you too long to add in, but then you'll just want to keep it on a medium high speed while you're doing this. Then just incorporate it until fully incorporated and the mixture's got this light brown colour. Then you can take it off the mixing speed and just add your sieve your dry ingredients again, and just sieve in all of the dry and just fold it in until it's fully incorporated, being careful not to knock too much of the air out of the mixture. You can then go ahead and add in your chocolate. I'm using a mixture of milk, white and dark, but feel free to use whatever you've got or you prefer, and just fold it in until it's fully incorporated, again being careful not to knock too much of the air out of the mixture. You can then go ahead and pour it directly into your lined 8x8 square inch cake tin, which has been lined with some parchment, and just get all of the mixture in there and level it off as best you can. Then you can place it into your preheated oven. Again, all of that information will be on a blog post which will be linked down below. And here are what the brownies look like once they are fully baked. Once they're fully cooled, which I've done the following day, you can then start to cut them up. I'm just using a sharp knife and cutting them into 16 squares, but feel free to cut it into 8 more generous sized portions. So thank you so much for watching, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again next week with some more videos for you, so join me then. But in the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description of the video. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog and links to all of my social media, so don't forget to go and follow me over on there. But that's all for today, I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.